Hey y'all, I was sent over this tool organizer wall mount. We're gonna get this thing put up on the wall in the garage and get it loaded up and see what it looks like. Right now, let's open the box up, just see what we're working with here, so we'll have a general idea of what we're getting ourselves into. Mounting hardware here has the hooks right here. There's your shovels, rakes, hose. You can lay extension cords across that. Whatever, anything you can hang on a hook, got it right here. Even comes with some gloves. Instructions and the mounting plates. These are basically, you're going to put this up on your wall, and this is going to do just basically like that right there. You can slide that wherever you need it. Pretty simple and straightforward. Put it on the wall. Pretty straightforward, really. Just mount that up on the wall and put that just like that. That's all there is to it. What you hang up there is up to you. I'm going to go out in the garage, get this thing mounted, and get a few things put on it and kind of give you a general idea of what it's going to look like. And then I'll turn the camera back on. I'll see y'all out in the garage. Okay, got it up there. We wound up having to just put two right here. We've got another one over there I'll show you in a moment. But as you can see, it's got the hooks. It has four actually, of these shorter ones. Two of these longer ones, like that, and then two just single shaft ones. So that worked out really well. Let me show you this other one. And got this one over here by the garage door to hang a broom on and a mop and whatever else we need. One of the things I was going to point out is, if you'll notice, those that's got a lip on them, it hangs and then you can pop it into place. If I can show you, I don't know if you'll be able to see that right here. And just get it where you want it. So you want it right there on the end and just kind of, and it snaps into place. Now you can slide these though. Slide them wherever you want. Before you pop it into place, I would now get it where you want it. Yeah, pop it in there. All there is to that. Really nice. And if you'd like to get you some of those, I will put a link down in the description where you can order your very own. Also, if you got any value out of this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate that. There it is. I really like those. I think my mom's going to get a lot of good use out of that. Kind of helps organize the garage a little bit. Get stuff up off the floor. Anyway, that's it. Hey, I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.